Hey, you old dog.
I don't have time.
Why not? You got to make time.
I don't have time. I got to get that Yell and Tell program out. Once it's out, then I can look for a boyfriend. Right now, it's just squawking me.
Is squawking you? I'm not going there, but
No, don't go there. I thought of it when I said that. But I love your attachments.
my what?
The attachments.
Oh,
and
the
emails.
emails? You
Yeah.
liking those?
Yeah.
I try
Thank
to send
you.
Oh,
Yeah.
I enjoy hearing from you.
Yeah, it's great. Okay, who's this to? Sorry.
Peggy.
Peggy, I gotta concentrate on one thing.
Hey, Jimmy, what's up?
That is yours. Okay,
What do we have?